Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 10 when it's lagging or running slow. Let's get started. Step 1. Disable startup programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Right-click and disable any unnecessary programs that start with Windows. Step 2. Clean up temporary files. Press Windows plus R, type %temp%, and hit Enter. Select all files and delete them. Repeat the same with temp and prefetch folders. Step 3. Check for malware or viruses. Open Windows Security from the Start menu. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Run a quick scan or full scan to remove any threats. Step 4. Update Windows and drivers. Press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Update and Security, Windows Update. Check for updates. Also, update your drivers in Device Manager. Step 5. Adjust performance settings. Right-click this PC and select Properties. Click Advanced System Settings on the left. Under Performance, click Settings. Select Adjust for best performance, then click Apply. Step 6. Check your disk space 1. Open File Explorer. Right-click your C drive and select Properties. If space is low, click Disk Cleanup and remove unnecessary files. Step 7. Restart your PC. After applying these changes, restart your computer. You should notice better speed and less lag. And that's it. These steps should help fix Windows 10 lagging or running slow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.